Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making removal safe. Sign out and turn off sync so your Google data won't be unexpectedly erased. Export bookmarks to an HTML file and store it on desktop or cloud for easy import later. Next, close Chrome and use Task Manager to kill any background processes. This prevents file locks during uninstall. Once done, open your system's apps or program settings. On Windows, go to Settings Apps. On Mac OS, open Applications, so you can start the actual removal step. You now uninstall Chrome through the OS. On Windows, choose Chrome from Apps and hit Uninstall. On Mac OS, drag Chrome to Trash and empty it. After the main app is removed, go deeper and delete Chrome's profile folders. On Windows, remove %local app data %Google\Chrome/user data. On Mac OS, delete ~library/application support/Google/Chrome to clear caches and extensions. Also check for leftover shortcuts, startup entries, or scheduled tasks, and remove them so no background processes resurrect the app later. You finish by restarting the laptop so the OS can release files and complete registry or permissions changes. After reboot, verify Chrome is fully removed by checking Programs/Applications and searching for leftover folders. Then import your saved bookmarks into a replacement browser. If Chrome refuses to uninstall or returns, run an official removal/cleanup tool, attempt uninstall in safe mode, or remove stubborn files from an admin account. These steps resolve permissions or corrupted install issues that block normal removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.